Hey there, let's look at how we can quickly benchmark our code in a Laravel application. With the release of Laravel 9.32, a benchmarking utility class was introduced. Let's see it in action. The class is called benchmark, and we can use the measure method. This method takes in a closure, and let's quickly query for a user. Import both classes, and the output will be in milliseconds. Let's check it out. Refresh the page, and we can see that it took the query about 30 milliseconds to run. Alright, that's awesome. Additionally, we can also pass an array of closures. Let's see it in action. So we delete this. Let's count the users first. So we have user, query, count. Again, this will be in milliseconds. The second scenario, let's say create users, and have users factory. Instead of count, have create, and let's create 15 users. And the third case, let's do a multiplication, and let's do 1000 multiplied by 2000, and let's see it in action. Alright, so as you can see, it takes about 2 milliseconds to count the users, 21 milliseconds to create 15 users, and a lot less than a millisecond to do a multiplication. We can also optionally specify how many iterations the closures should run. Let's go with 10 iterations, and this will give us the average execution time also in milliseconds. Alright, so it takes an average of 2 milliseconds to count the users, 90 milliseconds to create the users, and the multiplication is way under 1 millisecond. Awesome. Last but not least, we have another method in our toolbox, and that is dd, which intuitively you will know what it does. So let's refresh the page, and as you can see, we have the output, and of course the time dump method does its job. Alright, now let's take a quick look to see what the benchmark class does under the hood. As you previously noticed, this class consists of two public static methods, measure and dd. Just a few words. The measure method iterates over each closure given by the user, makes use of the built-in hrtime function, then returns the average execution time. The dd method wraps around the measure method and returns the data via time dump. And that's all. Alright guys, that was it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and stick around this channel because I will post more zero-cost tutorials like this one. You can also find me on social media, where I also share web development and other geeky stuff. I was Karol, and I'll see you in the next one.